Okay, because this is just a practice, I'm just gonna use this for my sample. I'm not gonna do it in a beanie. Once I get the pattern the way I want it, then I'm going to try it on the beanie. Okay, so we are going to start, okay? So right now we are going to set our color right there. For right now, since we are trying, I'm just gonna get a piece of red fabric. And because this is just a test, I'm not gonna put anything to the fabric. So we are going to go ahead and cut all the excess of this fabric. Okay, so I cut the excess. I'm not gonna be too picky with this because it's just a sample, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and continue. So I'm gonna switch my thread to black. Okay, so what we are going to do right now, we are going to do the like the eye socket. So we are going to continue with the next step. I'm going to go back like 10 stitches just because it stopped in the middle of it. Right here, if we stop right here, I think it looks really nice. So the only thing is that I need to figure out why it didn't stop, because my plans were that this was gonna be filled with white and this was gonna be filled with blue. And it is an applique, so I don't understand why it didn't stop and ask me to like put the applique on. It just continued to keep going. So far like this, I like it a lot. Let's keep going. So far, I think it's good. I just need to fix some things. Like, I mean, if you like it, I think it looks pretty cool. It's really fast and it's like different. You can just add this to any design that you make. And it looks really nice. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to play with it. And once I figure it out how to do exactly the way I wanted to, I'm just gonna show you the change that I made. So far, this is everything for today. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. I'm pleased with the result. So until next time, thank you.